In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side downstream O2 oxygen sensor on your INFINITI G35. Remove the connector off of the O2 sensor. There's a little push tab up top, and then slide the connector off. That's the push tab. Then we have to pull this off of the bracket. I bent my bracket down, and I'm going to fit a flat blade screwdriver up under the metal and push our sensor out. Using a 22mm O2 sensor socket, I'm going to remove the O2 sensor. Install the new one. Tighten the sensor down. Install the new connector onto the bracket. Bend it back up to where it was. And then install the harness connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull and make sure it's really connected.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.